All right, so check this out. These are some of the ski signs I make. And this thing's like 3 feet long, about 6 inches wide, but I make a lot of those. And what we're talking about today, look at that. Handlebars. We got some new handlebars. So today, more than anything, is just testing out the handlebars. But I also want to go to the grocery store in all of our chunderness of chundy, which should be super fun. All right. So let's go ahead and make our way through here. Not bad. Check it out. What a beautiful day. It is sunny and gorgeous after a huge snowstorm here in the valley. We got absolutely drilled and it is chilly out, but we are going to the grocery store not only to get groceries and whatnot. Might have a couple friends over tonight to eat some food. But really, more than anything, it's to try out these new handlebars on the new 2024 Raev Bullet X. And these aren't necessarily, as we pick up some speed here, these aren't necessarily the handlebars I'm going to go with. But just to get an idea of what I'm actually wanting is a BMX styled handlebar setup, and these were some handlebars I had laying around the shop that, you gotta watch that chunder, that I had laying around just to get an idea of the height and everything. I really like the middle bar right here for putting accessories, whether it be, an action camera like a GoPro or DJI camera or phone mount or whatever. I do like that option of that middle bar, but I really, really, really honestly just dig the BMX bike look that those handlebars give you. It is rather chilly out. I'll say it's in the 20s. So we're giving this battery a good range test in the cold. And I'm not going to go too awful fast or anything. Matter of fact, I put it back down in mode 2. And as we go through here, where it's icy and slushy and whatever elsey. But I do dig the handlebars. Super cool. I really do dig them. It's just that I'm a tall guy and this is a big bike, and now honestly that the handlebars are up a little bit higher, it's actually super nice to have my arms up a little bit instead of leaning over. I'm sitting totally upright now, and I'm 6'3", 6'2", I'm 6'3" on a good day. Oh man, the old age jokes. Enough dad jokes. But yeah, so being, over 6 foot tall, this bike, the frame itself is really nice. The handlebars, me having long arms and wide shoulders, I needed like a little lift and a little width. And these laying around actually gave me the exact kind of measurements I was looking for, with the exception maybe like an inch high. So I may go with some different handlebars, some SE racing handlebars, BMX bars that are an inch or two shorter or whatever, but give me that width and a little bit of a rise, and that little middle bar right there to, that's some serious stuff there. That's pretty good. To to give me just that super cozy, comfy feel. Look at all of this shit. That just didn't really turn out how I wanted it to be honest with you. That's fairly gross and disgusting. We're going to take a chundering shit bath of shit today, boys and girls, just to get to the store because they haven't cleared the bike path, so we get chundery shit all over us today. How fun is that? Man, I'll be honest with you, I can taste the grit. Anyways, it handles the wet road real good, so there's that. Yeah, but they haven't cleared the bike path to save a man's ass. They usually do, but just not right now. So we're going to actually just kind of chunder on over here. This is just part of being an idiot. But anyways, they cleared this part, so that's good. That was a chundering chunk of a shit mess, to just say the least. I mean, that was fairly disgusting. We'll go slow through here. What a chundering chunk of shit, dude. Anyways, this is what I do for you all. Well, for me too, because I'm the one that chose to be out here, right? And hopefully entertain some of you all with my whatever I just did just then. I have a feeling I'll be washing some clothes tonight. Oh man. Anyways, as you can see, we're going up through the bike path where they have cleared it, and not on the saltiness. It almost tastes briny, because that's probably what it is. Anyways, did you see how it just knocked through that? Which is good. Have to have some entertainment today, right? And as we go through here, and we have made it, boys and girls, to the grocery store, and I am a flat out dirty, disgusting mess of a human because all the shit chunder from the road and all the slop munder that is all on my face with whatever. It's just whatever. It don't even matter. But at least they cleared this part. Jeez, oh me's. I will never say don't get fenders again after that. What? There will be fenders on this bike. I'm going to go ahead and tell you, of some kind. I don't know if I'm going to like buy some and custom cut them to make them look a little bit more streamlined than the ones that they offer on the website. Find some that are compatible. I don't really know, man. Anyways, the handlebars are nice, and they seem to be really, really cool. So I may keep them. I don't know. I just feel that I need to go a little lower, and honestly, I like to maybe go a little chrome. And maybe a thumb throttle. And then maybe some red grips. And some red pedals. Oh yeah. All right, here we go through this shit chunder, and then we're gonna park and grab some groceries. Not bad. It's really not bad. It's like a little tank. Just walks in the middle of the road. It's the most, anyway. Just drive through it, man. That's really impressive. Shit chunder. Made it. Boom, boom, boom. I mean, it's just a complete freaking mess. So if they can make it through that after a blizzard, to somehow get to the grocery store to get snacky cakes and whatnot, then it could probably make it through anything. That was very entertaining, hopefully for you all. Me, on the other hand, I want to go and wash my face off and go grocery shopping and try to get something to eat and then do it all over again, go home, take a shower, and wash the bike off. Maybe not in that order. But anyways, until the next adventure, Colorado Adventure family, peace!